All right, good afternoon, my YouTube family. How are you guys today? I am going to be showing you how I'm going to prepare my ribs for the holiday. Usually I do put them on the grill, but it is so hot, I'm just going to bake them in the oven. So here's a just about a fourth of a slab of ribs. I already seasoned them overnight, so I'm going to spray my pan, of course, and put them in the oven. And I'm going to slow cook them. So I will put them on 350 or 375, I'm not sure. I may do 375. So here are my seasoned ribs. And I'm going to add a little water so they don't stick. Okay, I'm going to add a little water, just a tad, so it does not stick as it is baking. So that's about enough. I wanted to show you the seasonings that I did season this with, which is adobo, garlic powder, and we're going to kick it up with some spice on kicking chicken. So with that, family, I'm going to put this in the oven and I'll check it in 45 minutes. All right, family, I am back. This is what the ribs are looking like so far after 50 minutes on 375. They are not done yet, so I'm about to slice some onion and pour on my barbecue sauce on the top and put them back in the oven for probably another 30 minutes. So I'll be back. Let me get my onion sliced. All right, family, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and slice my onion like so. And I'm going to use half of the onion because I love onions, especially on my ribs. So I'm going to take this skin off. Don't ask me why I'm being so extra. So one moment, let me rinse it. All right, family, I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's, hickory, and brown sugar barbecue sauce. I'm not going to do anything extra. I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle it on like so and just let it bake in there. I don't like a lot of sauce, so that's just about how much I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and slice my onion and put it on top. And again, family, please be careful when you're slicing onion. Watch your fingers, because Cutco knives or any knives that you use, they are very, very sharp. So this is how I normally do my onion. Just separate it like so. So this is going to go back in the oven just like this. Doesn't that look yummy, family? And I put some more water at the bottom so it does not stick. All right, family, I'll be right back. In the meantime, family, this is all the items that I did get from Save-A-Lot. These are the bananas, the onion, the cheese, milk, the limit of 2 on the ground beef. I got turkey hot dogs, and I will show you my water. And this is the water that I did pick up. I got 3 packs for $1.77. That was the limit on the water. All right, family, I am back. These are my ribs, and they did cook in the convection oven for an hour and a half on 375. I wish you guys were here right now to smell the aroma between the onions and the seasonings. I just hope I can take the spice, but it's all good because I am going to take this spice. I just love to eat, family. So with that being said, this is the end of the video. If you like my content, please hit the subscribe button. Let me know down in the comments, how do you cook your ribs? Do you always grill them? Or do you boil them? Or what exactly do you do? So with that being said, hit the bell notification to where you never miss another one of my videos, and share my videos with your friends and family. Thumbs it up, and have a wonderful rest of the day. Take care and be safe.